Namaskar. Let's have another edition of Human Geography, and the module we will discuss today is the division of humankind. Although we are a one world and one people, we are intrinsically divided by a number of factors. The factors that cause division amongst us are several, and the most important being language, religion, race and discrimination, caste and creed, classes and money, conflicts and disputes, politics, hatred, envy and malice, jealousy, blatant favoritism, indifference, and today, digital divide. There are indeed so many factors that divide us that it is difficult to see whether or not we are one people. India is a land of contrasts. In India too, all of these factors, language to digital divide, we are divided by religion, we are divided by caste and creed, we are divided by differences in our cultures, values and norms, although we are all Indians. Factors that cause division among mankind are essentially favoritism is one, where passive fathers tend to favor the child who's easiest to raise. Hatred is another terrible problem because it generates other problems. Envy has a sister in malice, and the two usually work together. And deception always causes division. There is racism in the world, even if we are trying to forget that we are different races. Although there is no biological evidence of race being a biological factor, it is only a social concept. Even then, racism reigns supreme in many parts of the world. For example, in North America, blacks and Latin Americans are less likely to receive appropriate health and medical care because they are blacks and Hispanics. They are also less likely to undergo coronary bypass surgery because they are of a race that the others don't care about. They are less likely to receive dialysis or kidney transplant. They are less likely to receive a lower quality of basic clinical services. Even in healthcare, which is a very important aspect of life, that the race plays a major role in discrimination. Discrimination is therefore a dividing factor. If you look at North America as an example again for the division of humankind, there are three reactions. The one reaction we call is the discrimination by color and race. The second is called the prejudice. Prejudice again because of color and race. And there is a third reaction, which is what we call stereotypes. A class-divided social categorization exists among all of us, among all of humankind, whether North Americans, Europeans, South Americans, Africans, or Asians. We are all divided by a social categorization called class. In certain schools in modern America, for example, a teacher may give a class exercise where she divides the children by the blue eyes and brown eyes. So blue eyes versus brown eyes is a familiar class race problem in America.